Ars Gràcia is an audiovisual installation created by Artificia that invites users to become part of a collective musical instrument. When a street musician from the Barcelona Metro Street Musicians Association performs, the installation becomes an intelligent stage that amplifies their music, makes it visible, and gives it the recognition it deserves. When no musician is present, the installation uses artificial intelligence to generate music and images in real time, responding to the movement of the audience.
Bon dia, ningú ha demanat roba del dia.
Ars Gràcia is the winning project of the challenge aimed at improving the user experience in the Barcelona Metro. Ars Gràcia merges the analog and digital worlds, tradition and contemporaneity, the human being and the machine, bringing art and technology into everyday spaces and creating new connections with the city.